Hey students, I just want to make a quick video that explains how to use Calendly to make office hour appointments with me or any other kind of appointment with me. You may know how to do this. A lot of faculty at Prairie State use this and maybe you've used it in the past. So you may not need this information, but if this is new to you, this video is for you. So this is my Calendly page. Professor Condon has a very similar one. This is linked at the top of the syllabus and in my email signature and a couple other places on D2L. So I'm going to click on my virtual office hours and I'm going to find a time that works for me. Let's say that I want to meet on the 14th and I find a time, let's say 1 o'clock on the 14th, confirm, and then what I'm going to do is type in my name. So let's pretend that my name is Jane Doe. And I'm going to, just for the purposes of this, I'm putting in my own email address. But you're obviously going to put in your email address here because it's going to send you the link to the Google Meet and the confirmation. So make sure that you spell your email address correctly, and always when you do Prairie State stuff, use your Prairie State email address. So your email address, if you have a note that you want to share, you can feel free to use this box here, but you don't need to. So I'd like help with my research proposal. Okay, schedule event. And it's that easy. Now it's scheduled. I get this confirmation message. And it's, as it says, a calendar invitation has been sent to your email address. And there's my notification. I'm going to open up this email and it tells me about my appointment. So here it has the date and time, the description, and here is the link that you can join when it is time for your conference. Okay, so you may have seen this Google Meet interface before. When we start having review sessions, optional ones in this class, this is what it'll look like. You will be able to use your camera. It's disabled while I'm making this video. But I hope that you'll have your camera on. If you can't have your camera on, that's okay too. All right, and then you just join when it's time to join. Another way that you can find out your conference is to go to your calendar that is linked through your Google account, and it will say the different meetings. So let's see, if I want to go to January, I made the appointment for the 19th, right? Or did I make it? When did I make it? Yep, there it is, the 14th, 1 p.m. It's populated into the calendar. I can click on this link here and I'd like you to disappear. And it'll give me the link to the meeting. Sorry. Trying this again. There you go. There's the Google link that you can click on to join when it's time. Okay. Now, if you can't make it to your meeting, you can go back into your email and you can view the event in Calendly. If you can't make it to your conference, then what you do is click on it and you have these buttons here to reschedule or cancel. Please use these if you can't make it to your conference instead of just not showing up, because then I just sit there wasting my time waiting for you and it's a time that another student may have taken. So I don't mind if you need to reschedule. If something comes up and you can't make your conference, that's totally understandable. Just please reschedule or cancel in advance. The other thing I wanted to point out to you is if you go to that Calendly page and you can't find a time that works for you, then you can here, let me get out of that. Then you can you can ask me about coming another time. Okay, so let's say that you're only free on Thursday afternoons. You don't see any times for Thursday afternoon. Just send me an email that suggests a couple times that you can make it. And I will do my best to be flexible and try to make your schedule or work something out with you that we both can make. I think that's it. If you have any questions about how to schedule a Calendly appointment for any conferences this semester, for office hours, anytime you have a question or want me to help you with a piece of writing that you're working on or anything like that, just let me know about your questions, okay? And I hope to see you. I enjoy these conferences because I miss seeing students on campus. This is a way for me to connect with you. So please do use these times. Okay, see you soon.